Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 6. This week, we're going to be talking about meeting the needs of all children. By the end of the week, you will have an increased understanding of differentiated instruction, including English language learners, gifted, struggling students, and those with disabilities. You will develop an understanding of the importance of various grouping: whole group, small group, individual. You'll have an understanding of implementing an anti-bias curriculum. You're going to complete the partial lesson plan. This week, you're going to be completing the learning environment section, creating an environment to promote achievement and professionalism, collaboration, communication, professional responsibility, and growth portions of the MVNU lesson plan. I also would like for you to replace any sections of the plan that you were to revise, so that when you submit week 6 plan, it is a really, really good example of a complete plan. If you have questions, please ask me about that. Your assignments for this week. There is a video of a PowerPoint on differentiated instruction, and the link is there for you. You need to read the article on the importance of various groupings. 6.1 is a discussion forum on anti-bias curriculum implementation. 6.2 is a reading response on the anti-bias teaching. And 6.3 is completing your plan. Discussion forum rubric, reading response rubric. When you submit the anti-bias and culturally responsive teaching reading response, please make sure that you are hitting these criteria. You have to use a minimum of 2 resources. You need to use our course material and outside resources. It should stay on topic. You need professional and personal examples, and you're integrating our class material and the outside material that you found into your response. Make sure that your writing is clear and concise. Check grammar and spelling. Make sure you include pertinent information on the topic. That you have summarized information from research, and that you present the content in an organized manner. Based on this criteria, you need to meet all the criteria in an element to receive 20 points. If you meet 3 of the criteria listed for each element, then you are proficient. If you meet 2 of the criteria, you are basic. And if you meet 1 in an element or none, it's unsatisfactory. So please be sure and use this before you submit your response. Here is the link for the PowerPoint video. You're going to read the article listed about the types of grouping and their purpose, and how that connects to the context for learning on your lesson plan. Your discussion forum is explain an example of incorporating anti-bias curriculum into the classroom. Your initial post is due Wednesday, and your response to another peer is due on Saturday. Your reading response is to research and write a reading response explaining anti-bias curriculum and culturally responsive teaching. And it tells you to look at the rubric and remember to use 2 sources. You're completing the final sections of the lesson plan, which is the learning environment and the professionalism. Also, if you had to revise any of the previous sections, please make sure before you submit week 6 that you have the revised sections on this plan. If you have any questions about week 6, please email me. Thank you.